Afternoon students, today we are going to take the topic cone. So whenever this word cone comes in your mind, you will be always thinking of ice cream cone. Yes, the shape of the ice cream cone is the right circular cone. It has following things. This is radius r, that is the radius of the base. This is height of the cone, and this part is known as slant height of the cone, which is denoted by L. And if height and radius is given, and if you want to find the slant height, we have the formula that L is equals to under root h square plus r square. This relation we have got from using the Pythagoras theorem. Now there are certain formulas of cone. First we'll say the curved surface area. Curved surface area, that is equals to pi r L, and total surface area, in the total surface area, if we add the base also, this base also if we add to the curved surface area, the curved surface area is pi r L, and if we add the base also, then we get the total surface area, and the base of the cone is in the form of circle, so the area of circle is pi r square. So pi r plus pi r square, so we'll take pi r common and we'll get L plus r. So the total surface area of the cone is pi r L plus r, and the volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. These are the formulas we'll be using in this exercise. Let us solve the question number 1 of exercise 13.3. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 cm and its slant height is 10 cm. Find its curved surface area. Now it is given in the question that the diameter is 10.5 cm, so the radius will become 10.5 upon 2, that is equals to 5.25 cm. And slant height, which is denoted by L, is given, that is 10 cm. We have to find the curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of cone, the formula is pi r L. So pi is 22 upon 7, r is 5.25 into L is 10. So we'll solve this, we'll cancel, this will become 0.75. So when we'll multiply 22 into 0.75 into 10, we'll get the answer 165 centimeter square. So the curved surface area of the cone is 165 centimeter square. Let us solve the question number 2 of the exercise number 13.3. Find the total surface area of the cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of the base of the cone is 24 meter. Now radius will calculate, the diameter is 24, so radius will become 24 upon 2, that is 12 meter, and the slant height is given 21 meter. Slant height is denoted by L, and we have to find the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of cone, the formula is total surface area of cone. The formula is pi r L plus r. Pi 22 upon 7, r 12 meter, L 21 plus r again 12. Now let us solve this. 22 upon 7 into 12 into 21 plus 12, that makes it 33. Now when we will solve this, our final answer will be 22 into 12 into 33 upon 7. When we will solve this, we will get the answer 1244.57 meter square. So the total surface area of the cone is 1244.57 meter square. Now let us solve the question number 3 of exercise 13.3. Curved surface area of cone is 308 centimeters square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius of the base and the total surface area of the cone. Now it is given in the question that its slant height is 14 centimeter and curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone, and that is given how much? 308 centimeter square. So curved surface area of cone, the formula is pi r L is equals to 308. So pi 22 upon 7, r is not given in the question, L is given 14 centimeter is equals to 308. We'll cancel this will become 2. So r is equals to 308 upon 22 into 2. When we'll solve this, we'll get the answer 7 centimeter. So the radius of the cone is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone. As we know, the formula of total surface area of cone is pi r L plus r. Now pi again 22 upon 7, r that is 7 centimeter that we have calculated, L is given in the question 14 plus r that is again 7. So this will cancel. So 22 into 14 plus 7 is 21. When we'll solve this, we'll get 462 centimeter square. So the total surface area of cone is 462 centimeter square and radius is 7 centimeter. Now let us solve the question number 4 of exercise 13.3. A conical tent is 10 meter high and radius of the base is 24 meter. Find the slant height of the tent and the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Now let us see what is given in the question. This is 10 meter high. So h is equals to 10 meter. And radius of the base is 24, so r is equals to 24 meter, and we know that this is a conical tent, this is the radius r, and this is the height h, and this is slant height, and we know the formula of slant height, that is equals to L is equals to under root of h square plus r square. So under root of L, that is 10 h, this is s square, that is 10 square, plus r square, that is 24 square. 10 square is 100, 24 square is 576. Now when we'll add this, we'll get 676, that will be equals to 26 meter. So the slant height is 26 meter. Now we have to find the first area of canvas required. Area of canvas required to make the tent. That will be equals to CSA, that is the curved surface area. Curved surface area of conical tent. And the curved surface area, we know the formula, that is given by pi r L. Pi is 22 upon 7 into r, that is 24, into L. L we have calculated 26. When we'll solve this, we'll get the answer 13,728 meters square upon 7. That is, we require 30,728 upon 7 meters square. Now we have to find the cost, and in the question it is given that cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So it is given in the question cost of 1 meter square canvas, that is equals to rupees 70, and how much canvas we require? This much. So cost of 13,728 upon 7 meter square canvas will be equals to rupees 70 into 13,728 upon 7 meter square. So this will cancel, this 7 1 7, 7 10. So the total cost will be this much, 137,280 rupees. So this much rupees will be required to make a conical tent.